YouTube. This is my next video. I'm going to be welding up and then grinding off on boxing plates. I hope you enjoy it. I'm not a welder. I've got a flux core wire feed welder that I'm using, which I know is not the best in the world, but it's what I could afford and it's what I have. I'm not going to be showing you any welding tips along the way because I'm not qualified to show you any welding tips along the way. So just you can watch the video and maybe you'll learn something. I hope you do. I've cut out a lot of things, a lot of extras that you didn't need because it was well over an hour by the time I got finished with all the clips, so I had to condense it down to make YouTube happy, and I really didn't want to put out 3 or 4 videos of the same thing, so I'm just welding along and taking off the clamps as I go, welding things down, and then I grind down my welds to see if there's places I missed and re-weld the places that I missed. I've got a few times once I get the top done, then I got to crawl underneath and weld underneath there, and that's a whole nother fun expedition as it goes along, and you'll see that as near the end of this video. Okay, I'm back. Here I am welding on the upside down, laying down, and I'm on a creeper at this point. I thought that would work, but I can tell you one thing: I hate welding upside down. It is not fun. I do not envy anybody that would do this for a living. But maybe if you did it for a living, you'd know exactly how to do it better than I do. I did not have fun in doing this. Eventually I change and go to some padding, and you'll see that here shortly. There it is. Never ever weld on something when you're laying on something that's flammable. And that's why. You should always have something non-flammable underneath you if you're going to be throwing sparks around from a welder. And I have something. It's a welding blanket. Was I using it? No. Where was it? Sitting right there. Now I put it up there, and when I'm welding and the sparks are flying, I won't burn up my moving blanket. Moving blanket was actually quite soft to lay on, and it made welding a lot easier to lay on. It just, welding upside down is never fun. So, okay, this will be the last time I'm on here. I hope you liked the video. I very much appreciate the gentleman that subscribed to me, and I hope this helps him out, and I hope it helps you out as well. If you like it, be sure to make a comment. If you want to see more, subscribe, and leave me a comment and tell me what else you'd like to see. Next thing up for me is going to be the cross member. I won't be showing a whole lot of welding of the cross member in, because it depends on the cross member that you use, but I will show you hanging all the front suspension on the cross member, and that'll be the next video that I have. Until next time, I'll see you later, YouTube. Bye.